Welcome to Ways to Calm an Anxiety Attack. Today I'll be providing you with practical strategies for managing and alleviating symptoms of an anxiety attack. In a moment, I'll share with you information about a 100% free resource that will not only help you overcome issues related to anxiety, it will also help you live a healthier, happier life. I'm sure you'd agree, the ideal situation would be to never experience an anxiety attack. The good news is, achieving that reality is much easier than you may think. In ancient times, anxiety was almost non-existent in everyday life. The reason for this is people lived their lives in a balanced state. Later I'll share a free resource that will help you and your family learn how to live a balanced, anxiety-free lifestyle. Anxiety attacks, also known as panic attacks, are sudden episodes of intense fear or anxiety. They often come out of nowhere and can feel overwhelming and intense, with a range of physical symptoms such as chest pain, shortness of breath, and heart palpitations. They can be triggered by many different things, including stressful life events, changes in routines, and worrying about past or future events. There is scientific research that shows anxiety attacks are related to the body's fight or flight response, which is a natural, automatic response to perceived threats. While this response can be helpful, it can also become overactive and lead to anxiety or panic attacks. If you're experiencing an anxiety attack or panic attack, there are several evidence-based techniques and exercises that can help in the moment. The first technique is deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths, inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 4. Repeat this for several minutes until you start to feel calmer. The second technique is visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful scene, such as a beach or forest. Focus on the details of the scene and picture yourself there. This can help you calm down and relax. A third technique is progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and release each muscle group in your body, starting with your toes and working your way up to your head. This can help you release tension and relax your muscles. It's also important to develop a toolkit of strategies for managing anxiety in the long term. This might include regular exercise, such as yoga or running, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Meditation or mindfulness practices can be helpful too, as they can help you focus on the present moment and calm your mind. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is also an effective treatment for anxiety. In CBT, you identify negative thoughts and you substitute those negative thoughts with positive thoughts. In a moment, I'll be sharing a free online video course. Inside this free 10-part video course, 2 of the segments deal directly with this issue, and you'll receive in-depth training on how to use CBT techniques effectively. Finally, remember that you are not alone. Many people experience anxiety and panic attacks, and it's okay to reach out for help. Consider talking to a therapist or counselor who can provide additional support and guidance. In summary, anxiety attacks can be overwhelming and scary, but there are several practical strategies and techniques that can help manage and alleviate symptoms. Deep breathing, visualization, progressive muscle relaxation, regular exercise, mindfulness practices, and cognitive behavioral therapy are all evidence-based techniques that can help in the long term. Remember, you are not alone, and there is support available to help you manage anxiety. I promised that I was going to share with you a free resource that would help you overcome anxiety, find happiness, and improve your health. That resource is balancedwillhealth.com. Balanced Will Health is a 100% free, 10-part video course that includes more than 15 videos that cover topics like anxiety in relationships, anxiety about health, anxiety about work. In addition, you'll learn the principles of balanced living. People who live a balanced life are happier. They enjoy better relationships, and they're always healthier than those that don't live a balanced life. Just go to balancedwillhealth.com. You don't need a credit card. The only thing you need is a desire to improve your health. I'm sure you understand that love is a powerful emotion. Love heals. Sharing is an act of love. Please like this video, Please share this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Last and most important, please leave a comment about the challenges you've had to deal with due to anxiety. By sharing your helping others is an act of love. Love heals. Thank you for watching today's video, Ways to Calm an Anxiety Attack.